Did you know 3 tablespoons of ceremonial cacao can replace your coffee? It sustains energy, support your heart and focus. It's an alignment for start your day. This is cacao candles, has cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla and crystal rose petals. And then we are going to prepare 1 cup of our ceremonial grade cacao. This is for 1 person. We use 8 ounces of water, 3 tablespoons of ceremonial grade cacao. It's really quickly to prepare. And then we add honey, a little bit honey. Don't use sugar. If you don't have honey, you can use dazzle. We use half teaspoon of spicy elixir. We just add hot water. Never put your cacao directly to the fire because it will lose the benefit and we don't want that. And then we use our ancestral molinillos to get the foamy. It's so important to get that, to bring that energy of the air to our cacao. Before you drink your cacao, it's so important to set your intentions, be in the present, and be grateful for having this powerful medicine in your table. Enjoy this sacred moment for yourself. In Mayan Cacao, we have 2 presentations. We have fresh ground and block. What is the differences? The differences is time. This is required 5 minutes of time because you have to cut, and this is already fresh ground but 100% handmade. We don't take any benefits out. It's all the benefit, the butter, it's inside. It's 100% purest seed of cacao.